The Rainwater Initiative. All around the world, small villages face immense challenges rooted in underdevelopment. Water scarcity is just one of those challenges, but it's one that affects everyone, young and old. In Ageragera village, like so many other villages, the lack of clean and reliable water is not just an inconvenience, but rather a daily hardship that defines the rhythm of life. For years, families, especially women and children, have walked for hours daily just to reach the nearest borehole. That's time taken from school, from work, from rest, and often the water collected is never enough.
When they just started pumping, this was the color. But after you pump 2 jerry cans, it changes the color to that.
Now it's not there, it's over.
Maybe we get a pump that can support this borehole so that it saves water. And that water will be used when there is when the borehole jams. As you are waiting for the borehole to resurrect, the water should be in the tank. So you fetch from there so that it helps us. Or when it starts pumping again, you pump. When the water jumps off, I think the water level is also another problem. When the water when the borehole is not working, you use the tank. And we really think that if a tank is put here, it will save us a lot.
We moved quickly to install 4 rainwater harvesting tanks at strategic points in the village. But it wasn't just the tanks that mattered, it was the collaboration. The people of Ageragere didn't just receive this project, they became part of it. Together we cleared land, prepared foundations, and brought this idea to life. These tanks will now collect rainwater throughout the season and help provide vital relief during the dry months ahead. It's not the full solution we envisioned with Water Plus, but it's real and it's making a difference.
If there is a word better than happy, then that is the word. Because I know that my movements and the movement of other people lining up at the borehole is going to be cut off. Now it's just a matter of, can you imagine just turning the tap and you're fetching water? Wow.
I would like to thank you people for the great help you have brought to us. At least I see a tank here. We are going to wash our clothes. All along we have been having a big challenge of getting water.
Today, I'm actually very happy that we've received some support from friends who have received some tanks for rainwater harvesting, which is going to help us a lot. Because when you look at the households that we have here, there's a very big problem with the water for domestic use and other activities that we need. But now when we get the support, when we get the water, that means our families, our members will be able to do a lot of work outside the home since we have water. Women, children have been wasting a lot of time searching for water to do the household activities.
We are still exploring sustainable financing models, and there are other communities still waiting for support, but today we celebrate a small but meaningful victory. To everyone who has supported us, thank you. Your prayers, advice, and your willingness to stand with us has made this possible. To Kevin Vest, whose leadership, quiet generosity, and unwavering spirit has helped execute this work, this is only the beginning.